Okay, we're going to do another example using the Fantastic 7. Please put up at the top a title, which is Fantastic 7. That's our division strategy. And then put today's date, which is December 5th. And we're going to use a 2-digit.
Yeah, it's December 6th. Yeah, it's 6th.
All right. Okay, we're going to use a 2-digit dividend. Let's go with 84. And notice I left myself a couple lines here. That's so I can write on top. And then come down here and we don't have to make that go the whole length of the page. Just draw it a few bars down. And we'll do 84 divided by 6. And I'm going to go ahead and just to model, I'm going to have my math fact chart out because I don't want to get hung up on math facts. I want to learn the process. We will not, I want to repeat, we will not be able to use our math chart on our division post test. But we can use it until we learn the steps. Why is because one of our 4th grade standards is to know our math facts through 100, and we've been working on that all year. Okay, so Mrs. Young in the beginning kind of came over here out to the side, and she wrote some basic facts like 6 times 1 is 6, and then she did 6 times 10 is 60. Can I subtract 60 out of that? Yes. Okay, so then let's look at 6 times 100 is 600. Can I subtract 600 out of that? No, that's too big. Okay? So first I'm going to just look again, and remember I told you the shortcut. Look at that 8. That's our digit in the tens place. Can my 6 go in there more than one time? No. So 10 is as big as I'm going to be able to go. I'm not going to be able to go 20.
Nope.
Okay? So I'm going to put 10 over here. That's my first partial quotient.
Wait, I can't see. I don't even 10 now.
Well, because I'm going to subtract 6 10 times, which is the same as subtracting 60. Does that make sense? Okay. Then I'm going to subtract. All I'm doing is division is repeated subtraction. All I am doing is chunking it together so that I don't have to subtract 6 10 times. I'm going to subtract 60. Okay? And when I subtract, now I have 24 left. Now, can I subtract another 10? Can I subtract 60 again? No. What's halfway between 6 times 10 and 6 times 1? Actually, I think another strategy is to just put your finger on the 6 and go as close as you can get to 24 without going over. What do you get to? 24. So 6 times what is 24? 4. So that means I can subtract 6 4 more times, which is the same as subtracting 24. Now these are my partial quotients, okay? When I add them together, I get 14. So 84 divided by 6, my quotient is 14. Yes. Why can't you see? Do you have your glasses on?
Yeah, I have a new computer, and it's probably doesn't see it.
Okay. Let's do, I think we don't really have time for one more. But now that seemed a lot easier than what Mrs. Young's example because there was a smaller dividend. So we're going to start with smaller dividends. Okay? Okay.